Today we are going to discuss some Rajasthan question. Red and loamy soil is found which district? That is found in Udaipur and Dungarpur. So red and loamy soil, that is Udaipur and Dungarpur. The Great Boundary Fault is situated in which part of Rajasthan? That is situated in southeast. So southeast part of the Rajasthan, that is situated in between of the Great Boundary Fault, southeast. Which type of the soil is found in Pali, Nagaur, Ajmer? That is known as the grey alluvial soil. In which region of the Rajasthan Verti soil found? That is Hadoti region. Uh, Maximum area of the soil erosion found in, that is the Hadoti region. Red loamy soil is found in, that was a Dungarpur. And in which of the district red loamy soil is found? That is Udaipur and Kota. And Khasra related to, that is land area. Which is the following statement true regarding the soil of Rajasthan? So mixed soil formed by disintegration of the phosphoric, that is not true. Sandy soil is formed the granite sandy soil. Thar desert. Red loamy soil is formed by the granite, gneiss and quartzite. And black soil is formed by the disintegration of the basalt. Which is the following important objective of land reform? That is eradication of the all elements of exploitation and the social injustice. In which of the district pairs the alluvial soil is found? That is found the Bharatpur and Dholpur. Where does the lump of the Rajasthan exist? That was Nagaur and the Ajmer, that is the hump of Rajasthan. Which is the following is the process by which the soil Rajasthan convert into the acidic and the alkaline? So that is known as the printing industry. Same is related to the waterlogging. And a brown soil is found in Rajasthan, that is found in drainage area of the Banas river. Brown soil. In which of the region Rajasthan does anti-soil group of the soil is found? That is found in western Rajasthan. Which of the following is the solution of alkalinity and salinity of the water? That is use of gypsum. Which is the following is the long term solution for alkalinity and the salinity of the soil? That is gypsum. Soil of the Hadoti plateau, that was medium black. How many soil divisions are there in the Rajasthan for the DC Joshi? According to him, that is 10. How much area of the Rajasthan covered by the sandy soil? That is 2 by 3rd. Mineral gypsum, which is used for the alkalinity of the soil, that is known as Nagaur. Which is the following long-term solution for the alkalinity? That is known the gypsum. Brown soil. Which is the following is incorrect? So the eastern part of Rajasthan is more affected with the alkalinity of the soil, that is not true. Which the following is correct बताना था. So यहाँ पर है कि साउथ ईस्टर्न district of Rajasthan are the affected by the water erosion. Western arid region is affected by the wind erosion, and the maximum extension of ravine land is the Kota, Savai Madhopur and the respectively districts. So ravine area is in the Kota and Savai Madhopur. General soil, that is between 6.5. Alkalinity, that was the more than 8.5. And acidic soil, that was the less than 7. Sandy soil is found in which of the following Rajasthan? That is western Rajasthan. Which of the following soil is fit for the cultivation of cotton? That was the medium black soil. Which is the following soil is also known by the name of the Usar Ray and alkaline? That was saline soil. Which is the following cultivated in the black and Regur soil? That was cotton. The solution of the saline and alkalinity of the soil, that was because of use of gypsum. The southeastern part of Rajasthan, which is the fertile for cultivation, that was the black soil. Which among the following not a true? Rate of the soil erosion is slow in Rajasthan due to the less availability of the forest. So that is not true. Where is the Rajasthan alphy soil is found? That is the eastern and southern plain. Which is the following is the incorrect? The red loamy alluvial soil contain the excess of lime, black and Regur soil, that was the contain the excess of lime and potash, and red soil are contain excess of the ferrous oxide. Red sandy soil, that was the Nagaur and Pali. Yellow soil, that was the Nagaur and Pali, and saline sodific soil, that was the Nagaur, Barmer and Jaisalmer. Brown soil, so brown soil is the Pali, Sirohi and the Sikar. The shifting of the soil is place of the another, and the soil erosion occur due to the fast velocity. That is not true. Which is following are the incorrect. Brown sandy soil is fit for the cultivation of the cotton. That is incorrect because black is needed for this. Which is the following tree useful in the conservation of the soil? That is babool tree. Which is following not a solution of the controlling soil erosion? So planting strip of trees in the pasture land. That is not. The mineral gypsum, which is used for treating alkalinity of the soil and also used in the health and the constructing industry, that was the Nagaur. Red loamy soil is found in of the following district, that was the Dungarpur and Udaipur. Which type of the soil is mainly found in the Nagaur, Pali and Ajmer? That was the Sixtorjan. Red loam soil is found in district of that was found in the Dungarpur. The creeping death of the soil, so that was soil erosion. Shifting of the above layer of the soil due to the wind and snowfall, that was the soil erosion. In which region Rajasthan does anti-soil? Anti-soil is the found that was found in the western part. Which is the following ground is for the fertility of the soil? That was Urad. Which is the following procedure of the soil is the acidic and alkalinity? That was capillary action. The Khasra is related to, that was land area. District having maximum barren region, so that is Jaisalmer. The soil found in the हाड़ौती रीजन में ब्लैक सॉइल पाई जाती है. Okay, now which is the following river does not belongs to inland drainage? Mitri river is not related to. Okay, बाकी Khandel, Medna and the Rupangarh is related to. According to the Köppen classification, the Ganganagar, Hanumangarh and the Bikaner, that is the BWHW. Which is following Rajasthan have highest annual rate of potential transpiration? That is Jaisalmer. Which is district Rajasthan fall under the humid southeastern plain agroclimatic zone? That was Kota, Bundi, Bara, Jhalawar. Which region of the Rajasthan experience AW? AW is the southmostern part जो होता है. The dust storm is originated in Rajasthan in May and June, most caused due to the that was origin conventional current as at few places. So conventional current जो होती है इसकी वजह से होता है. In which of the district Rajasthan the maximum number of the rainy days are found? That was the Jhalawar, Kota and Bara. The triple famine is related to lack of the fodder, food and water. Which is the following largest agricultural climate zone in Rajasthan? Humid southern plain. Which is the following is the cause of the winter rain? Winter rain जो होता है that is the western disturbance. Which is the following is the most humid district? That was the Jhalawar. Which is the following district are covered under the very high humid area? That was the Jhalawar, Banswara. Which is the following is the Loo word? That was dusty and the dry wind, that is the Loo. Which is the following correctly match the climate region proposed by the Köppen? That was CW, northern Rajasthan is not. AW is the southern Rajasthan, BSSW semi. Which is the following smallest agricultural climate zone in the Rajasthan? That was the humid region. Average rainfall in the Rajasthan 57 to 58. In how many climatic region Rajasthan divided? That was the 5 climatic zone in Rajasthan के. Which of the following district experiencing minimum air pressure? Minimum air pressure जो है जैसलमेर में. Highest percentage of the disparity in the rainfall is occurred due to the Jaisalmer. And monsoon rainfall in the Rajasthan increase in the direction of southeast to northwest. Southeast to northwest. Winter rain in the Rajasthan was generally caused by, that was northwestern wind. North and western wind, that was the winter rain. Which of the following position Aravalli range is responsible land rainfall that was parallel to the monsoon? Isobar line of 1000 millibar. That was Sirohi, Udaipur, Pratapgarh and Jhalawar. Which is the following month is the warmest in the Rajasthan? That was June. Origin of the western disturbance? That was because of Mediterranean Sea and the Caspian Sea. What is the Mawat? So Mawat is the rainfall occurring winter season in the Rajasthan. So winter season में होता है. Which is the following district of the Rajasthan experienced the highest average rainfall? That was the Jhalawar में सबसे ज़्यादा rainfall होता है. ठीक है. In which of the district does monsoon wind is blow? That was the sea to land. आइसो हाइट का मतलब होता है 50 सेंटीमीटर का जो डिवाइड होता है. From which of the language does the monsoon has its origin? That was Arabian. Which is the following